Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jessie, and in today's video we are about to get ready for the mall. I'm about to go out and go to the mall with my mother-in-law, so I wanted to do something quick and easy, and I wanted to come on camera and do it since I haven't been here in a while. I thought we could chit chat a little bit, so let's get started. For primer, I use the Tatcha Filter Finish Protective Primer, and where I have larger pores, I use my Cover FX Blurring Primer. For brows, I'm going to be using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. That was like the messiest brow application ever, so now I'm gonna clean it up using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. I like to put this in the back of my hand, and from there I just grab it with my brush and start cleaning. My brows are completed. When I'm doing a more simple look, I normally don't do a lot to my brows. I just quickly run a pencil through them and that's it. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be grabbing the bronzer that I'm going to be using on my face today, and that is the LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Powder in the shade Warm Caramel. I'm going to grab a Morphe M504, and I'm going to take this powder, top off the excess, and put this all over my eyelids. I'm going to blend this in my crease to the intensity that I want it to be. That's all I'm going to do for eyeshadow. Now I'm going to move into foundation, and I'm going to be using another another LA Girl product, and this is the Pro Matte High Definition Foundation, and this is in the shade Sand. I'm going to apply this foundation using my Real Techniques sponge. Now I'm going to go back to that same concealer that I used earlier, which was the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes to conceal any darkness. I'm also going to apply a little bit of this on the bridge of my nose and down the center of my forehead. To set all of that in place, I'm going to be using my Maybelline setting powder. This is the loose, shine-free loose powder in the shade Light. I'm going to shake it backwards, or like upside down, and I'm going to use whatever is left in the cap. I'm going to take that same sponge, tap under my eyes one more time, and then I'm going to grab my powder with the sponge, and I'm going to set my face in place. Now I'm not baking with this powder, I'm just setting it using the sponge. I'm not gonna let it sit there. I'm just going to press it on my skin, and I'm going to set everything that I have just done. And back to the bronzer that I use on my eyes. I'm going to grab a Morphe R2 brush, and I'm going to bronze my face with this. Now when I'm doing a quick look like this, very simple, I don't like to apply any blush. So I'm actually going to skip that part and go straight into highlighter. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the OFRA Rodeo Drive highlighter, and I'm going to apply it all over my cheekbones. Now I'm going to set everything using my Skindanavia finishing spray, and this is in the oil control form. I always like to apply my setting spray before I apply my mascara, but today for mascara we're going to be using Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I can never learn the name of this, but whatever. It's not my favorite mascara. I feel like it transfers, but I'm going to be using it today. I'm just going to be using a tiny little bit, so I won't have to deal with the transferring problem as much. I just applied the tiniest little bit to my bottom lashes because, as I said, I don't want it to transfer. For lips, I'm going to be using this Chanel lip gloss. This is in the shade 716. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!